Step-by-step test procedure. Wash and dry your hands. Prepare the lancing device. Remove a test strip from the vial. Replace cap immediately after taking a test strip. Insert a test strip, contact bar's end first and facing up, into the test port. The meter will turn on. Then the symbol will appear, indicating the meter is ready for testing. Hold the lancing device firmly against the side of your fingertip. Press the release button. Gently squeeze your fingertip. Apply sample. Hold the blood drop to the top edge of the test strip until the confirmation window is full before the meter begins to count down. Your blood glucose test results will appear after the meter counts down from 5 to 0.